Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Mazda app. First, download the My Mazda app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open it and create your account. You'll need to link your Mazda vehicle by entering its vehicle identification number, or VIN, which is usually found on your dashboard or door jamb. After linking, you'll see the main dashboard, offering quick access to many useful features. This setup process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes to complete. The My Mazda app offers fantastic remote control capabilities. You can remotely start or stop your engine, which is perfect for preheating or cooling your car before you get in. Locking and unlocking your doors is also a breeze, providing peace of mind. Additionally, you can check your vehicle's status, including its current fuel level and tire pressure, right from your phone. These features add convenience and security to your daily driving experience, making your Mazda even smarter. Keeping your Mazda in top condition is easy with the app's health features. It monitors your vehicle's status and sends you timely maintenance alerts, so you never miss a service. You can also conveniently schedule service appointments with your preferred dealership directly through the app, saving you time. Furthermore, the app provides access to your digital owner's manual and warranty details, putting all essential information at your fingertips. It's a comprehensive tool for managing your car's well-being. Beyond remote functions, the My Mazda app enhances your navigation experience. You can send destinations from your phone directly to your car's navigation system, making trip planning seamless. Never lose your car in a busy parking lot again, as the app can help you locate your parked vehicle with precision. Also, for a fresh ride, check out the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener mentioned in the description, along with other great deals. The app truly integrates your Mazda into your digital life, offering convenience and connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.